Hi, today Ask F5 shows you how to disable and force offline existing connections to BIG-IP nodes and pool members for maintenance. The BIG-IP system designates two terms for network devices to which the system load balances traffic: nodes and pool members. A node is identified as the network's device IP address, such as 10.10.10.10. A pool member is identified as the network's device IP address, the service port on which the pool member is listening, and the name of the pool to which it belongs. For example, mypool:10.10.10.10:80. Nodes and pool members can be in one of three states: enabled, with all traffic allowed; disabled, with only persistent and active connections allowed; and forced offline, with only active connections allowed. You can set BIG-IP node and pool members to a disabled or forced offline state. When set to disabled, a node or pool member continues to process persistent and active connections. It can accept new connections only if the connections belong to an existing persistent session. When set to forced offline, a node or pool member allows existing connections to time out, but no new connections are allowed. For more details on these states, refer to this article linked below. To set the state of a BIG-IP system node, do the following. Log into the configuration utility. Go to Local Traffic, Nodes, Node List. Select the name of the node that you want to set. For the state option, select either Disabled or Forced Offline. Select Update. To set the state of a pool member, log into the configuration utility. Go to Local Traffic, Pools, Pool List. Select the pool list that you want to change. Select the Members tab. On the Members tab, select the pool member that you want to change. For the state option, select either Disabled or Forced Offline. Then select Update. After you force offline a pool member, when needed, you can delete all connections to that pool member by setting the Action on Service Down Pool feature to reject. For details about this feature, refer to this article linked below. Note that this feature only works if you've set the pool member to forced offline. It does not work if you've set it to disabled. To do so, log into the configuration utility. Go to Local Traffic, Pools, Pool List. Select the pool name. For configuration, select Advanced. For Action on Service Down, select Reject. Then select Update. That's it. If you have questions or comments, please send us an email. Thank you for watching.